Welcome back to another video. Today we got the $5 sale, 3 days only. Friday, June 21st through Sunday, June 23rd. So you only got 3 days to get these deals. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Harbor Freight reviews, Harbor Freight tools. Let's read here. It says $5 tool sale, $5 tool sale. Keep forgetting to say $5 when you spend $49.99. So yeah, $49.99 is the minimum amount that you have to spend, so you can get any of these for $5, which is a great deal. And it's 3 days only, so it's today Friday, tomorrow Saturday, and Sunday. In store only, not online. So it says right there. Alright, the first $5 tool we got. Well, before we start, I want to tell you guys what I got last year. Last year on this sale, I believe I bought the cargo carrier that you put on the, like where you tow. That's where you that's where you put the cargo carrier. And I bought that cargo carrier. I believe it was $39.99. So I bought after that I bought not after that, but in the same sale, I bought a $10 item, and it went up to like $55 or something like that. And then after $55, I could use this coupon, so that's the one I got. The 12 gauge 2-in-1 nailer stapler. This works real good. So that is the item that I got. This time of year, this time, if I get something, either it's gonna be. Sorry guys, my phone's going off. As you guys know, I do run a business. I do pest control, and this phone goes off every day and all day, especially at this time of year. Anyways, me personally, I'm gonna get this angle grinder. This angle grinders or these bits, but I'm probably gonna go with this angle grinder. Well, this is a nice case too for $5. Might just get that for a camera if I buy a camera, because I need to upgrade a camera. So it's either this one or this one. First coupon we have is the 29-piece titanium drill bit set for $5. It's not a bad deal. These usually run anywhere from $15, $15. So you're getting about $10 off. And these angle grinders, you're getting about $5 off, because these angle grinders in the parking lot says they're $10. So they're not that expensive. And then these guns here are $15, I believe, $15.99 or $15 with the coupon. So you're getting about $10 off on that. Let's see here. This is the single speed multifunction power tool, $5. Yeah, it's about the same. So you're saving about 10 or 15. I would say 10 or $15. That's how much you're saving with these coupons. This is the single speed multifunction power tool. Not a bad deal there. Ultra lightweight, crush proof, weather resistant, lockable case. Like I said, this is a small case. It's just good for a camera or a real small gun. And this is probably not even for a gun. It's probably smaller. 50 clamp. Yeah, it's 8x5. So it's not really a big gun. It's one of the compacts. You got the 50-inch clamp and cut edge guide for $5. And this is not the saw, it's the edge guide. It's not a bad deal. That's another good deal right there. Alright, then we do have a 20% off. So you could use this to get any of the items on the bottom. Well, not any items on the bottom. Any of the items at the store that qualify for this coupon, you can use it for that. And you can total out to $50 and still use these coupons on the top. So you got 20% off, valid through Sunday, June 23rd. And then you got a free light here. These are great. I have them all over. You got the Rapid Pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jack for $74.99. It's a great item to get one of those for free. Or not for free, for $5. You got a 10 by 17 feet portable garage for $179. 72 by 80 moving blanket, $5.99. These are usually more expensive, usually like $8.99. So it's not a bad deal, you know. 18 by 12 Hardwood Movers dolly, $7.99. 9,000 max starting, 7250 running, $6.29. You got the good, better, and best, or good and better, not good, better, and best. 8-gallon oil lube air compressor, $114.99, and then you got the 8-gallon oil free air compressor, $124.99. Got a 250 lumen pop-up lantern, $4.99, so just $5. This is great. I do have it. Works real good. This is another message there. 23 feet auto feed handheld electric drink cleaner, $99. That's how much I paid for it. Works real good. If you guys want to clean your drains and your pipes and stuff like that, there you go. I used it. I'll say I used it about 4 times already, so it's already paid off itself. 5-inch random orbital palm sander for $24.99. I like the feel of this thing. This thing feels pretty good. This rubber part, you know, feels real good on the hand, and you know, get a nice grip on there. I haven't used it, but feels nice. Got 6.5 horsepower, 212cc OHV horizontal shaft, $97.99. Great for a little project, a golf cart or something. You got the 4 by 12 feet canvas drop cloth, $5.99. Aluminum mobility wheelchair and scooter carrier, $129.99. Portable folding LED work light, $4.99. 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets, $6.99. 5-piece plier set, comfort grips, $13.99. You got the 20-volt lithium cordless 3/8 impact wrench for $69. This is one of the newer items. I believe this is the tool only. Yes, it's tool only. Battery and charger sold separately. So yeah, this one is just the tool, but yeah, this is one of the new ones. You got a 1/10 horsepower transfer pump, $49.99. You got the 3/4 or 3/4 by 60 feet industrial grade electrical tape, pack of 10, $4.99. You got the 5-gallon wet and dry vacuum, $39.99. I haven't heard anything about this. There's any reviews out there. I might be able to pick it up and do a review on this. However, I do have another vac. I have a Rigid. It's a real nice vacuum. You got the MIG Flux Welding Cart, $29.99. 7.5 12-amp heavy-duty circular saw with laser guide, $32.99. You got the automatic float charger, $5.99. You got the standard auto darkening welding helmet, $34.99. 1,000-pound capacity swingback trailer jack, $18.99. MIG, what is this? 170 professional welder, 120 or 240 volt input, $4.49. This is not a bad deal for a welder. Got the airless paint sprayer kit, $164.99. 20-ton shop press, $144.99. Full motion TV wall mount, 5 stars, $39.99. This is great, guys. If you guys need something to hang up your TV, there you go. 2500 electric winch with wireless remote control, $49.99. This is mostly for your ATVs, side by sides. Not even a side by side. I would say ATVs only. You got if you got an ATV, a UTV, those side by sides, I would definitely go bigger than that. 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, $99.99. 4.5 cut-off wheels, pack of 10, $4.99. Not a bad deal. 6-ton heavy duty steel jack stands, $34.99. You got the 20-volt lithium cordless 1/4 hex compact impact driver kit, $59.99. This is the kit, so this does come with the battery and the charger. Got 4-in-1 portable power pack, $59.99. Heard mixed reviews about this. You know, not starting vehicles and, you know, dying after a year. So do your research. Always do your research. Read the reviews on these, and make sure that's the item you're gonna get. You know, same thing with all these items. You got the mobile miter saw stand for $99.99. Got the 3-piece hex socket driver set, $2.99. I use this set. I have a few of them, and let me tell you, these things are great. I even use them for removing the lug nuts off the truck. You know, you're not supposed to be using that because these are not designed for that type of. You know, these are for like smaller screws and, you know, bolts and stuff like that. But yeah, not for lug nuts. You got a 10-inch bar pole saw, $144.99. You got the 1/2-inch, 25-inch breaker bar, $8.99. Can't go wrong for $9. This breaker bar. I mean, even with the other ones, $14.99 usually on parking lot sales. You can't go wrong with either or. And you got AC R34 manifold gauge set, $50. All right, guys, that's it for today. There's more videos coming up this week or this weekend. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one.